The earth revolves around the sun, and each one of us revolve within the earth. In this yoga tutorial, we will go over Parivrtta Trikonasana, also known as Revolved Triangle. This is a deep twisting pose that offers challenge even to those who are experienced practitioners. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Evolving into Revolved Trikonasana from Tadasana mountain pose. Step back with the left foot, placing the back foot at a 45-degree angle and the front foot pointing straight forward. Release pressure from the front toes, fully extending the leg back. Bring the left hip higher than the right one and reach down with your hand to your shin, your ankles, or the mat. Extending your left arm straight up to the sky to find Trikonasana. Once you have found Trikonasana, let's revolve Trikonasana. Left hand reaches down towards your shin, your ankle, or your toes. As you fully extend your right arm up, twist your torso and open your chest to your right side, creating a straight line with your arms down from the earth up to the sky. It can help to imagine that you're pressing your body into a wall. Hold this position for at least 5 long deep breaths. And when you're ready, untwist and release. Keep your practice symmetrical, so make sure that you do it on the other side as well. Remember that practice makes perfect, so keep on practicing. From my heart to yours, Namaste.